All right, so here's our vocabulary for Module 2, Lesson 1. The first word we're going to look at is factors. So factors are numbers that divide another non-zero number without a remainder. So divide, not divided, that divide another non-zero number without a remainder. So for example, 7 times 8 equaling 56. So 7 and 8 are both factors of 56. Right, so our next one, greatest common factor. So the word greatest means the biggest or largest. Common means the same. And then factors, again, are whole numbers that can divide another number without a remainder. So we're looking for a factor that is the same between two numbers, and we're looking for the biggest or largest one. Right? So greatest common factor is the largest factor that two or more numbers have that is the same. So for example, you have 20 and 12. So listed here are the factors of each of them, and they have 1, 2, and 4 in common. Since 4 is the largest one, then 4 is the greatest common factor. Prime number. So prime numbers are whole numbers with exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. So these here are different examples. So 7. 7 can only be divided by 1 and 7 without getting a remainder. 5 can only be divided by 1 and 5 without getting a remainder. Now, a big mistake is that a lot of students think that because it's odd, it is a prime number. That's not the case. There are no even numbers that are prime numbers outside of the number 2. So 2 can only be divided by 1 in itself. Other than that, your prime numbers are all also divisible by 2. So it is true that prime numbers are only going to be odd outside of number 2, but look at the number 9. 9 is divisible by 1, 3, and 9. So it's not a prime number. So not all odd numbers are prime, okay, but the majority of prime numbers are odd. Composite numbers are numbers or a whole number with greater than 1 with more than 2 factors. Okay, so any number that isn't prime is composite. So 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, and 6, so it is a composite number.